Welcome back. Today, I've identified 5 new side hustle opportunities that can benefit greatly from the use of AI, though artificial intelligence remains on a trajectory to eventually outpace human jobs. Current capabilities make it a lucrative tool for several side jobs by significantly reducing the time invested. By employing automation, a food photographer leveraged generative AI tools such as ChatGPT for tasks like drafting emails and business plans, and quick and concise communication with his clients about services and costs becomes a simpler task. Time is the most precious resource for any job. Many jobs that can leverage existing AI platforms provide handsome remunerations, up to $100 per hour. However, it's worth noting that most AI tools today are not simply plug and play. Robotic language and inaccuracies are common pitfalls with chatbots and image generators. Despite these challenges, editing AI-generated language often proves quicker than crafting multiple paragraphs from scratch. Here, I've highlighted 5 side hustles that can potentially save time and increase income by using AI. A travel planner, based in New York, uses AI to streamline her side job of assisting people in planning vacations. The advent of ChatGPT has halved her research time. With a prolific travel record herself, she uses the AI tool to curate personalized travel plans for her clients, all while fact-checking the AI output. The time saved enables her to take on more clients, thus earning more money. She now earns an average of $670 per month from this side hustle, earning about $42 per hour. In a twist of irony, AI's potential job-replacing capabilities also create new opportunities, such as part-time content assistants. Their role includes generating blog, newsletter, and social media posts using chatbots and subsequently verifying the results. These AI content editing roles can earn between $20 to $100 per hour. This emerging field has seen a surge in demand on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Others harness AI to write emails and create business templates. The mastery of AI prompts can yield significant dividends as the technology advances. Some also use tools like Midjourney to create some pretty astounding and original photos and images. Although this technology is not always perfect for professional projects, it is a promising avenue for further exploration. Now let's dive into 2 additional instances of professionals maximizing their earnings with AI tools. First, consider independent financial advisors. These professionals use AI to analyze market trends and predict investment outcomes. For instance, a Boston-based financial advisor uses AI platforms like AlphaSense to stay ahead of the market. AlphaSense processes vast amounts of financial data, including earnings reports and market news. It then provides personalized insights that can be shared with clients. By leveraging this AI, financial advisors are able to cater to more clients and earn upwards of $100 per hour. In another example, tutors have found significant benefits from AI. A private tutor based in San Francisco uses AI to customize his teaching methods. Tools like Squirrel AI help him evaluate each student's progress and tailor instruction accordingly. It saves him prep time, and he's able to provide effective personalized lessons. His rates can reach $100 per hour due to this efficiency and customization. So, as we delve deeper into the age of artificial intelligence, it seems apparent that the opportunities it presents are limitless. Whether you're a travel planner or a financial advisor, a teacher, a content creator, or a photographer, leveraging AI can lead to streamlined processes, increased efficiency, and greater earnings. It's not about replacing humans. Instead, it's about augmenting human abilities, making tasks faster and more efficient. So don't wait. Start exploring AI tools relevant to your field, upskill yourself, and embrace the future today. Let the AI revolution begin. In this video, we explored how artificial intelligence is transforming side hustles, increasing efficiency and boosting earnings. From travel planning to content generation, tutoring, and financial advising, AI is augmenting our capabilities and creating endless opportunities. But remember, these tools aren't about replacing us. They're about enhancing what we can do. If you enjoyed this insight into the future of work and found it valuable, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments in AI. and we'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you tried using AI in your work? Do you see it as a game changer in your field? Drop a comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.